Today, Donovan Grant is an electrician's mate master chief at a thriving ship repair firm, but his first career was in the Navy, where he retired as a master chief.
Actually joined to do 4 years, and before I know it was 30.
Grant actually earned a 4-year college degree after leaving the service in 2011, and he's still learning on this job.
I'm getting a lot of knowledge here, which, it's always good for the mind.
And working with other vets is good for the work environment, too.
One of the best parts about it is you're surrounded by a lot of other veterans. It's like being in the brotherhood again.
When you get a guy coming out of the military, he's already made that commitment. He's somebody that you know that you can count on.
Sam Hill retired from the Marine Corps in 1986 and has repaired tools and building equipment at shipyards with borrowed and purchased parts ever since.
I've been looking for a job like this for a long time, where there's no restrictions on what I can do as far as building tools, or fixing things, fixing problems.
I enjoy working with my hands. I also enjoy making sure people stay safe, and this was perfect for it.
Employers like hiring vets.
9 times out of 10, very easy to train.
Jobs in shipyard trades include
welding or ship fitting, electrical group, outside machining, inside machine shop. The list goes on and on.
Many vets can double or triple their pay, depending on their trade and effort.
Military, you don't really need to tell anybody to get the job done, because that's what they're here for.
Individuals coming into this environment are very proud of the work that they do on a day-to-day basis. And it makes me feel good that I can be a part of that and bringing them onto the company.
My aspirations are to become a project manager, but that's down the line. Right now, I'm happy where I'm at.
Place in my life right now where everything is working out fine. About to buy a house in about a year.
If you're transitioning out of the military, consider a career in the trades. You can earn credentials to take with you anywhere, but most important, you will use the skills acquired in the service to make a good life for yourself and your family.
It's what I know. It's what I've been doing for the last 24 years. It's what I felt comfortable with, and it's what I'm happy doing.
Yeah, I'm looking at hopefully retiring from this place.
Make the smart choice. Visit Southeastern Maritime and Transportation Center at maritime-technology.org.